Today is Veterans Day, and Roofing Utah's biggest goal of this year was to be able to give back to the community, and we wanted to specifically bless a veteran with a roof, and we were able to do that.
My dad is so proud to be a veteran, and he's so happy he was able to serve his country. So I think just being able to have this gift given to him on his special day just means so much to him.
I served from 1981 to 85 on the USS Wabash. I was stationed out of Alameda, California. It's a refueling ship. I work at Hill Air Force Base. I've been there for 21 years. Plan on retiring hopefully in the next couple. I didn't think I was going to win. I think there's a lot more deserving people that could have won it or should have won it, but I'm thankful for it.
When we came across Doug's nomination, it was perfect. He's someone that is willing to give the shirt off of his back, but not replace his roof.
Jen and Katie and Cassandra came to the door and with the balloons and stuff to surprise me with telling me that I had won the contest to get a new roof.
I recently just found out I was pregnant, and I told him, and he didn't even cry when I told him I was pregnant, but when he found out we were getting a new roof, he cried.
I'm really glad he chose Dynasty because of the high definition colors. It's going to look great from the street.
Roofing Utah and myself are very grateful for the various partners that have helped us be able to give this roof to Doug and his family, including SRS Distribution. Giving a roof back on Veterans Day has a special meaning. I have a ton of family who have been in the military. I was a military spouse. I know the sacrifices that it takes. And so to be able to honor someone on a day like today is the utmost privilege that I've probably had as a business owner.